Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make money using AI for digital skills. In this video we'll talk about how to make money, talk about the business framework, we'll explore the platforms to learn for free, mastering the right skills, and then the mastery strategy. How to make money. You need what we call needed value. This needed value is in form of a skill or a product. It is designed to solve a problem. It's a solution to a problem. Now, when you are able to provide this solution in form of a skill or product to your customer, you make money. Example, let's say a teacher that teaches sciences, subject in sciences like chemistry or physics. He has this teaching skill, right? And is employed by a school to teach. So because he's offering his teaching service, he's able to make money by teaching the student, right? And at the end of the day, he's paid. A businessman that sells telephone, digital asset like laptop and the rest of them, because you need a laptop, right? You go to the market and you go to him, he sells his laptop to you, and in exchange you give him money and collect the laptop. So this is the basic framework that helps you to make money. You just is not rocket science. You have to have a skill, you have to have a product that is needed. And why is it needed? Because it is a solution to a problem and your customer will always want to get it. Okay, this is a basic business framework. We have other complex ones, but on this video my focus is just on this basic one. So is that you have a skill that you can serve as a service or a product, and then you need to generate traffic. When we mean traffic, you need the customers that want your skill and serve or product to see what you are offering. And on the digital space, WhatsApp status, Facebook ads, TikTok, YouTube ads, Facebook page, all those are platforms where your potential customers can see your services, can see your product. For the hard product, physical products, that is why you find out that we have different markets. Okay, we have a market that is for food stuff, we have a bread market, we have a meat market, we have a all kinds of market, right? So anytime you need any of those products, you go to that market. You discover that the traders, the people that have that product, tends to stay there, so that because they know that their potential customer will always come. So that is why they will always make money, because traffic is very important. People that want it, they need to see it, and then when they see it, because what you are offering, the product and the skill you are offering, is able to solve their problem, they will be converted. That's what we call conversion, and then you will make money. So this is how it is actually done, right? When it comes to mastering the right skills, we have 6 digital skills that will pay you on the digital space: sales and marketing, copywriting, content creation, video editing, design graphics, and development and programming. So these are the 6 basic skills, right, that can help you, that can make you money on the digital space. You can pick development and programming, you can pick graphic design, video editing, any of them that you're interested in, and you master them. Okay, platforms to learn for free. These are the 8 websites to learn anything for free: digital, class central. These 8 of them, you can go there and learn anything for free. Okay, just to get started. Now, the mastering strategy. Now, when you go to any of those platforms, you have to adopt this strategy that I've given to you. Now, don't just focus on the 20% of activities that will give you 80% of the results in your work. Now, that is the domain knowledge. Just focus on the principles, the fundamentals, the basics. That is what you need to know first. That is what you need to understand first, right? Then when doing that, the next thing you're going to do is to know how to do prompt engineering. That is using generative AI as your personal assistant to improve your productivity and efficiency. Now, this is the game changer. Usually it will take you months, years to master these skills very, very well. But if you can adopt this strategy, that is understand the principles, the fundamentals, the basics, that is have a 20% domain knowledge of this field. Now, using LLMs, that is generative AI, you are able, when you have the domain knowledge, you are able to craft prompts, you are able to write instructions, you are able to craft prompts that will help you to use LLMs to generate content, to help you as your assistants. Now I have a course that helps data analysts. You don't need to know everything in data analysis. I just teach them the 20%, almost 20 to 30% of what they need to know about data analysis and how to use generative AI to do expert advanced data analysis. Okay, so this is exactly what you need to do. You have to have a domain knowledge of the desired skill, whether sales, copywriting, content writing, web editing, design, graphics, or any of them. And then you also know, because the domain knowledge will help you to craft your prompt very well. Now when you craft your prompt, this generative AI technology, LLMs, AI, will serve as your personal assistants, and they will now help you to improve your productivity and efficiency. This is a game changer, and this is the route you should follow. Okay, now another thing I want you to understand is that these LLMs, they will keep getting better and better because of pool of researchers and many other factors. They will keep getting better and better. The LLMs we have as of this time, as of the time I'm making this video, will not be the same we'll have in the future, right? As of 2022 and 2024 now, the difference in efficiency is massive. When I mean massive, and it keeps getting better. So the only part that you can control, that you and I can control, is our domain knowledge and our prompt engineering skills. So when you are able to improve your domain knowledge of any field you are interested in, right, and then from that domain knowledge you can craft suitable prompts that you will use on various generative AI, and they serve as your personal assistants. They will improve your productivity and efficiency, and this is how you make money, serving the larger people, solving problems using your skill. Okay, please feel free to reach out to us at Beloved Digital if you want us to help you to master any of these digital skills. You can reach out to us on WhatsApp, you can reach out to us on YouTube comment section, or Facebook. We'll be happy to help you. And please don't forget to drop a comment, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube page for more content like this. And if you want anything any content that has to do with digital skills, generative AI, please don't relent to ask. Just drop the comments. We'll make sure we do something about it. Thank you.